Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back. Can you believe this is already my first full day here in Switzerland? Grabe. I still feel so giddy kahit pang 4 na beses ko na dito. Pero grabe, kahit pang 4 na beses ko na dito, pero parang first time ko pa rin mag-react na, wow, parang nakakita ng alien. So ganun yung feeling. And last night, we slept for like forever yesterday. So today, we said, okay, my love, let's burn off all that airplane's snack energy. We're hitting the trails for biking and paddle boarding. Actually, dito sa Switzerland, ang sarap mag-bike. Sobrang fresh yung air. Tapos, kita nyo naman ang view, pamatay. But look how clear the water is. Parang pwede kang uminom diretso. And the silence, walang ingay, walang traffic, just us. Look at this view, guys. This is exactly what I keep coming back here. Parang every corner is like a postcard. Also, the air is so crisp and so cool. Sobrang ganda sa pakiramdam. Sobrang gaan lang. Yan, magmuni-muni ka lang kasi ang ganda talaga. And here we are on the paddle board. See? Nice and comfy sitting down. No wobbly legs, no face plants guaranteed. I thought this would be so easy. And as you can see, look at me. I'm rocking my life jacket proudly. Have a look. Oh, diba? Naka-life jacket ako dyan. I told my husband straight up, I really need this, okay? I am not comfortable without it. And if something happens or I get a panic attack, I know I am safe. And you know what? He didn't even question it. He just handed it to me right away. No teasing. No, you'll be fine. Just of course, here you go. That's the best kind of support, right? O diba? Sobrang peaceful. Ang linaw ng tubig. Parang nasa ibang mundo tayo. And honestly, it's so much more fun when you're not forcing yourself to be brave. Just, you know, do what feels right for you. We had the best time. Zero stress, just laugh, and such a peaceful time out of the water. It was such a perfect first day. Floating together and just remembering how lucky I am to have someone who listens and gets me every single time. But seriously, moments like these are the ones I'll hold close forever. Well, thank you for making my heart feel so full, my love. Sobrang saya ko talaga. I'm so happy. Ito na yata yung pangalawang paddle boarding na na-try ko. Pero, nung nasa Boracay ako kasi nakatayo, pwede ka naman din tumayo dito. Pero, I don't know, medyo mabigti siguro yung katawan ko. Kaya sabi ko, sige, upo na lang ako. Ayan siya nga, nakahiga oh. Nahiga din ako actually. Pero yung pag-balance nung nakatayo, ang hirap kasi sobrang wavy nung that time. Yan, di ba? Ang wavy niyan that time. So hindi ako makatayo. Na ayoko namang mabasa yung cellphone ko, yung buong katawan ko. Dahil nahulog ako sa pagkakatayo. Okay na yung nakaupo. O, next time na lang, pagpayat na ako. Charis! So, ayan. Tapos, nakasama namin si Mother's One. Akala namin hahabulin niya kami. Pero chill lang din siya. Parang kami. Hallo, liebe Schwanemutter. Wie geht es dir heute? Gefällt dich das Leben auf dem Wasser so gut wie uns? Haha, kinausap ng German. Baka sakaling maintindihan ako eh. No? Alam niyo ba kung ano ang nasa isip ko during that time? That you don't always have to stand tall or rush ahead. It's okay to go slow, to take it easy, to do things your own way. That your true strength isn't about never being scared. It's about knowing what makes you feel safe and sticking to it. Also, the best views come when you stop worrying about looking perfect. Just enjoy where you are. And you'll always go further when you have someone who paddles with you, not ahead of you. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next clip. Bye for now. Dankeschön. Tschüss.